Competition can be an ordeal. But this strategy increases appeal. Having the right niche plan and doing all you can will help level the playing field. Hi, today we'll discuss my 3 ways to level the playing field with your larger competitors. Market niche ideas continue to grow in demand. Why? Because the slow economy is forcing more companies to look for creative ideas, instead of cash and credit to start their business or expand sales. A marketplace that grows more crowded is also a motivation for more businesses to find that void they can fill with their niche product or service. But when faced with larger and more established competition, having a niche takes on an even larger importance. Why? Because that's the only factor that can level the playing field when faced with a larger competitor who's better financed and more established. Funding is also harder to come by in a tight economy. So, this calls for the need to find more creative ideas in the place of cash for more companies who wish to survive. Here's 3 simple but powerful ways to level the playing field with a market niche. Number 1. Find a way to do what larger competitors find unprofitable to do. If you're a small company, this is the perfect way to use your smallness to your advantage. Larger companies overlook many market niche opportunities. Why? Simply because they won't support their huge overhead, operating and labor cost, not because they're not a good idea. What's unprofitable for them may be profitable for you. Research is often all that's required. Number 2. Find what larger competitors hate to do and find a way to do it. This is another simple but powerful way to level the playing field with larger competitors. The key here is simply finding what your competition hates to do and fill the customer gap by doing it. For example, is your competition closed on weekends? Then open on weekends. Do they offer in-home service or home deliveries? If not, then consider offering it to customers. Is there holes in competitors' internet marketing? Fill it. Get the point? In other words, find the small chinks in the armor of your competition and profit from it. 3. Find your larger competitors' service weaknesses. One of the advantages smaller companies have over larger ones is providing more personal service. The key is finding what personal service your target customers require. Most larger companies often have no choice but to try and be all things to all people. Impersonal, assembly line, cookie-cutter service is often the definition of mega-sized companies today. Smaller companies can use this to their advantage by providing more customized and personalized service. This is a powerful market niche many smaller companies overlook or neglect. Again, this requires research. Not all businesses have a customer base that requires a high degree of personal service. Remember Montgomery Ward's Sears and Pennies? They all made this mistake when Amazon and Walmart caught them off guard. Yes, the reward for finding this sweet spot or service gap is to level the playing field with larger competitors. These are just a few powerful tips to using your smallness to your advantage. Now take action. Thanks for listening.